What if I told you the secret to success isn't doing more, it's actually doing less? Sounds crazy, right? But stick with me. You're grinding day in, day out, working deadlines, side hustles, family commitments, juggling so much that it feels impossible to breathe. You're busy, sure, but are you really getting anywhere? Maybe you tried to push harder, longer hours, shorter breaks, saying yes to everything. And yet, instead of results, all you gotten is burnout, frustration, and sinking feeling that nothing will ever change. Here's the truth: trying to do it all is a trap. It's holding you back more than you realize. But there is hope. What if doing less was the secret to achieving more? Sounds counterintuitive, but I promise it works. In this video, I'll share 3 powerful strategies that will help you escape the grind, refocus, and finally make progress. Let's dive in. Secret number 1: stop juggling, start prioritizing. The more you try to juggle, the less effective you become. Multitasking, it's just task switching and it drains your energy. The solution: focus on one thing, not two, not three, just the one that will make the biggest impact. Action step: write down everything you're working on. Find the one task, goal, or project that will move the needle the most. For the next 90 days, make it your priority. Pro tip: start each day by asking yourself, what's the one thing I could do today to move closer to my goal? Then do it first. Secret number 2: the power of saying no. Here's the thing: every time you say yes to something, you're saying no to something else, usually something that matters more. You need to start saying no, not to everything, but to the things that do not align with your top priority. Action step: for the next 30 days, practice saying no to one unnecessary commitment each week, whether it's a meeting, a project, or even a casual favor. Protect your time. Pro tip: remember this rule: if it's not a hell yes, it's a no. Secret number 3: build a focus driven routine. Focus isn't about willpower, it's about structure. When you build a routine that minimizes distractions, you create a space to do deep, meaningful work. Here's how. Number 1: block off time on your calendar for the most important work. 2: eliminate distractions, turn off notifications, close unnecessary tabs, and let people know you're unavailable. 3: break your work into focus sessions, like 90-minute blocks with clear goals for each. Action step: start by scheduling one 90-minute block each day for your top priority. Protect that time like your life depends on it, because your success might. Pro tip: at the end of each day, plan for tomorrow. Decide what your number 1 task is before the day begins. Remember, doing less isn't about being lazy, it's about being intentional. When you focus on what truly matters, you'll achieve more with less stress. So, which one of these strategies are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. Also, this channel is dedicated to helping you become the better version of yourself. If you're into this content, consider hitting that subscribe button and turn on notification. There's more coming that you won't want to miss. Thanks for watching, and remember, less is more. See you next time.